Hi crystals, welcome back to my channel, and this is day 1 of my face sketching tutorial. I'm really excited to tell you this is going to be super fun, and it's 10-day tutorial, and I'm going to schedule it on your choice. Like if you need it on regular basis, I'll make video on regular basis. Otherwise, I'll make video in a 2-day and we'll upload it. And this time I'm going to complete this tutorial for you all, and I hope you love it. Now this is 10-day tutorial, as I told you before. So whatever I'm going to tell you today, you have to make it super clear in your mind so that you can do well in your sketching. And just trust me and trust the process. And if you practice this thing in 6 months, like if you practice these all the things which I'm going to tell you in 6 months, you will achieve a level where you can distinct everything what is in need in sketching. So yeah, let's talk about all the topic that we are going to discuss in following videos. So the first video is what I am doing right now. Day 1 is all about material we will need to do sketching. Day 2 would be on eye sketching. Day 3 would be on nose sketching. Day 4 would be on lip sketching. Day 5 would be on ear sketching. Day 6 would be on hair, or you can add anything you want. So I'm going to talk about hair and also jawline. Now day 7 would be basic shape sketching, like the face overall, full face sketching, but it is basic, on basic level. Then day 8 would be full face sketching, but it would be in advanced level. Like there is difference. So first I will tell you basic of that, and after that I'll tell you much more detail about that. Then day 8 would be expression, and day 9 would be expression, and day 10 would be also expression, but the same. Day 9 would be like basic expression, where we can add it with small effects, but day 10 is the typical thing that you all need to understand, and it's going to be fun. So just hear me out till the end, okay, and don't skip me out, because it's very important for you to note every point whatever I am saying. You can do fast forward, you can listen it on 1.5 or 2x, it's up to you, but don't skip me, because it's very important for you to understand every little things. Okay, now first thing what I want to tell you before starting anything is, whenever you're going to start sketching, always practice for at least 10 minutes basic things. Like you can just practice moving your pencil in straight line and in circular motion. Now here I am going to talk about materials. So this is first thing, this is pencil. Here I had chosen every product that I have used till now. So this is Artline pencil, and another one is Faber-Castell. Then I have Dom's pencil, and I have Apsara or like Camlin something. So I have used Apsara also and Camlin, like I have used 5 of them, but right now I only have 4 of them. So whatever you feel is good for you, you can go for it. But Artline and Faber-Castell are the best among all I had used. Like I prefer these two. If you are not getting Artline, you can go for Faber-Castell. Otherwise, if you're not getting any of them, just buy any one of these products, whatever is available in your market, and you have to buy a set. And if you're not finding it in a set, you can actually buy it like different pencils, whatever you need. So HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, and 10B. These pencils are the important pencils. Like you'll need only these and nothing else. Like of any company, you can go for it. Now the second thing is charcoal pencils. So there is three range of charcoal pencils. This is soft, neutral, and hard, which I'm showing right now. You can always go for soft one because every pencil has different thing to work on, and soft pencil are some pencils that work on every sheet, like every other sheet, whatever it has GSM or like anything, it work the best. So I prefer you to buy only soft one. Don't buy hard or neutral, you will not use it actually. Here I have just shown it because I wanted to show you. Now this is a white pencil. This is something oil based pencil. Now you can use it on charcoal, but you can also use it for blending in pencil colors. You can use it many places, at many places. So it has many uses. Here I use it mostly for blending of charcoal pencil. When I need a grayish shade, I can either go with any other pencil, but I want to give a whitish grayish shade that I cannot get from pencil, then I use these white pencil, and it's quite good. Like I love this product, I use it so much, like everywhere wherever I can. So now this is charcoal stick. So if you really wanted to make something very large, like a large piece of art, and where your pencil is something you cannot work really quickly, you will need charcoal powder or charcoal stick. Charcoal powder are very expensive, so I'll prefer you to buy charcoal stick. You can rub it on a sandpaper and then you can use that powder as a charcoal powder, or if you really wanted, you can go for charcoal powder also, that is available in the market, and that work the best, but that are expensive. So yeah, now these are some stamp, like they are very old. I've been using it since many days, like many years. It's been, I think, 2 to 3 years since I bought it, and I'm still using it. So they work so well, and I just love it. Now this is a fine mechanical pencil. It's not the mechanical pencil everyone use, like the professional one. Those are very expensive. As a beginner, I would recommend you to buy this because this is the cheapest product you can get. It's of course for like 30 to 40 rupees you'll get it easily. And in market you'll go, you'll find many companies pencils. What matter is not those companies but the lead what you're using. So always remember the lead. The smoother the lead would be, the good your art would be. Now these are some markers, like fine liners and black pen. So fine liners are expensive. One fine liner is approx 100 to 150 rupee. So I would recommend you to go for black ball pen. The tip should be very thin and pointy, and you can just use it. Now I also have two whitening thing, like this one is whitener and another one is white ink pen. So you can buy both of them because whitener is something you can use on large areas, and white ink pen is something you can use on smaller areas like eyes, and there are many areas where you can cover it on lips or to highlight any part you really need it. So you can just, now you can buy a kneadable eraser, or you can buy a normal eraser if you don't have kneadable eraser in the market. You can also buy the thinest eraser that is available in the market, which I probably don't use. Now here is pages that matters the most. As a beginner, I would tell you, if you are a beginner, just buy the simple pages, the printing pages, spiral pages or something. Like buy the spiral book, you can just save it and just practice a lot, because you are not earning yet, and you definitely need to command on your skills. So I would recommend you to go for cheapest things to make your art more good. Now I have to say something else. The lesser the thing you will have, the more privileged you would be. Many people think that because we don't have enough thing, we aren't able to make good stuff. Like, yeah, I know in India there are many places where you'll not find every art material, like each and every art material. So either you can buy online, and online products are very expensive, I know, but just something just buy something that is very important, like pencil. Of course you'll need pencils, and like in different shades, and like in different HB 2B. So you'll need these pencils, you cannot work without these pencils. Similarly, there are something that is very important, that is something you have to buy it. So I wanted to tell you that, yeah, just buy something that you think is okay to use. But if you think that you are not able to, have those things, aren't able to make good stuff. So this is a lie. I want to tell you, the lesser material you'll have, the good artist you will become. So I want to tell you, just practice with the thing that is like, use minimal things, like not much things, to boost your talent. Like, I use stump so well, I use stump to make hyper realistic things, but sometimes I prefer to blend with pencils. And because I have this tendency to always blend with stump or tissue paper or something, it become really tough for me to adjust at that time when I really do need to blend it with pencil. So I want to tell you, if you have a paper and a pencil, you can make a good art. And don't focus on the myths that is in surrounding, that if you don't have material you cannot make good art. If you think you can work really hard and you love art, and you can do it on regular basis, and you will not get fed up easily, then you are going to be an artist for sure. It is the fact. If you're not getting bored of doing the same thing again and again, you're going to improve, and that is my word. I am just telling you, don't focus on anybody's comment, just try to focus on yourself and have some confidence. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you really like my video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.